Hello everyone. Today we will start learning a new technology to generate a question paper, that is a objective type question paper online. We will write www.nearpod.com and we will get this screen, and under teachers section we will click on sign up for free. It will ask me for my Gmail ID and password, and I will be signed up. Since I'm already a member, so it has already signed me up. So otherwise, you will enter your Gmail ID and password and you will be good to go. You click on this plus icon and click on lesson in Nearpod. Today, our focus is on creating an objective type or one word question paper. We will click on add slide. For quiz, click on add activity. Click on time to climb. It will ask me the questions and the options to answer. So I will enter my first question and I will write my answers. So this is a multiple choice which I am making here right now. We can add more options to our answer if we want to. That is totally optional. We have to tell the system that which one is the right answer by clicking on the right answer and clicking on add question to enter the next question. Again, this is a multiple choice. So I'm giving some options. Let me add one more option to give it a uniformity. And again, I have to tell the answer to the system. I will, I can give some timer to the questions by clicking here. Let me give 10 seconds for this question. So the students will get only 10 seconds to answer. Here also, I can fix the timer with 10 seconds. Let me add. I will click on save. So we can add as many questions as we want. So right now I have created two multiple choice questions. I have again clicked on add slide, add activity. You can go to fill in the blanks. So here I can write my fill in the blank. I can write so I have given one statement, and when I click on next, it will ask me that which word should be for the fill in the blank. Let's suppose that I have clicked on manipulation. It is done. Now I will click on save and exit. You can give the name to your lesson by class test 1, for which grade giving the you are generating the question paper, for which subject you are generating the question paper. You can click on save and exit. So my question paper has been generated with the name class test 1. So this is saving. You can see here. So this is class test 1. If I want to preview, I can click on preview. This will show me the preview of my question paper. So this is the preview that a student will get. So this is how the student will get the first question. Student will scroll down and he or she will get the second question. They have to click on the answer. Then we have added one fill in the blank. So here the student has to write the answer. So, and then there are these two options whether we want to take this particular test as a live test while we are teaching them through our online class or student based. Let me give it as a student based. If I click on student based, you have to give this code to your students. They have to click on join.nearpod.com. There it will ask them only this code. When they will enter this code, they will get a questionnaire. They will solve it and you will get the answers of your students. So you have to share this screen with your students with the code and join.nearpod.com. And how will you check their papers now? So let me go to the home. So here you can see report section is there. So you will go to reports and here class test 1 will appear as soon as you will share it with your students. For example, like I have shared chapter 1 and 2 with my students. So when I click on this, I can see that 29 students have appeared for the test. I can see their report, what all answers they have done. And if you click on download, you will be able to see which student has answered what. And like in this question, I used open-ended questions were there. Yes, these questions were there. If I click on my first question, I will be able to see that which student has given which answer. So later on, I can discuss with my students. So this is how, and from here you can share your question paper with your students also, with your colleagues also. So I hope you all will try this and you will explore more and you can take the class tests online. Thank you.